Wala na yung laman yan. Ini naman. Bun! Ang almusal ko, scramble bun ng popang tacos. Yan. Tacos. Ang importante ng ay. Yan. Yan. Bun, may kapanganak, may itong kaun. Pangadwayang kaun yan. Ano kayo? Papahingan niyo kung beans. Tacos. Beef tacos. Beef tacos yan ni. Yan. Kaya sa akin wala akong almusalan. Wala na yung laman yan. Ini naman. Bun! Ang almusal ko, scramble bun ng popang tacos. Yan. Tacos. Ang importante ng ay. Yan. Bun, may kapanganak, may itong kaun. Pangadwayang kaun yan. Ano kayo? Papahingan niyo kung beans. Tacos. Beef tacos. Beef tacos yan ni. Yan. Kaya sa akin wala akong almusalan. May paksi kong lapu-lapu. Ay, nanda rin? Nanda rin. Akaliwan ko lalagyo. Ilalapu-lapu din. Nya, maragula buntok kayan. Salmon. Salmon niya pinaksike. Bukal kong tabang babi. Igisa ako itang gulay. Nya, pinik na ako yung gulay na yan. Pinik na ako yung gulay na yun eh. Ngayon karin ko ka na yung gulay. Dakalin kahit taba. Dakalin laman kin. Ang taking gulay. Pagluto bang natin bakal-bakal lang. Kanyaman ay sabona. Kanyaman ay sabon. Dita kaya gulay yan Dakalin laman, di taking gulay. Hanggang kini. Di kaya gulay yan. Alam mo naman yung rep me sa pakya. Nya. Yung gulay na. Di takyan. Yung sabi na lang yung gulay. Tinya laman yan. Bagyay laman niya. Ayan, linuto ko. Okra. Tebokal kumo. Balang pinakbit. Pepari putang king kaili no tuki ken tabaneng tabambabi. Yak bilogin guli. Dininang kembawang kamatis kabang bubukalyo. Ayan. Ilapot siya.
Ayan, paksing bagus. Teta sukil keng timahit ko. Kuryente, ayan. Sobrang pinyali bilang ulam. Ganap bukas. Lagi Espanya ling ulam niya. Pas ko hanggang bukas.
I cook again. More pot, less veggie. See? More pot, less veggie. See? More pot. I put only little bit of this. Because that is sugar. This is sugar. This is gore. I put a little bit on. See? I threw away the middle. I know I'm not supposed to, but I just want a little bit. See? This one. Upo yan, upo. Igkile ko kilibutad kasi carb yan. Ining carb. Ining mayumo, carb. So, tsaka I mean, sibuyas. Ditak mo yung kaya na ako sibuyas. Ini palambutan kaya ba maluto yung garlic. Garlic, tomato, onion. Okay. Here we are. Let's see if the garlic is cooked. I put many garlic here. See? No veggie. Just little bit veggie. Let's see if the garlic is cooked. Wow. The garlic is cooked. I put many meat. But little veggie, you see. Little veggie, more meat. But you know, if you eat only few pieces, busog ka na. You full. But I want it to. The garlic will cook more. See? Garlic. Magpa-English ko kasi itang co-worker ko, niya kabring manal be. Baya sigurong makapagluto mo rin. Little bit salt, little bit. Very little. Here we are. I dried because I don't like soup too much. Yeah, just like that. It's cooked. Now if I want soup, I can put soup. I can put water and boil it again. Put soup, it's not salty. There. Now we boil it again. At least the garlic is cooked by the oil. May luto ya yung bawang king tabanan ng babi. Oh. Ngayon yung sabon, no? Takmang. Oh yeah. Not salty. Just enough. Boil it one time, that's it. Boiling, boiling, boiling. It's boiling. You see? Now, it's not salty. I can eat some soup. Because I don't like soup when it's salty. No salt. Good. There, you want some? Ayan na, oh. Bukal ko na dita ka dunom. Wow. Eat some. Garlic bread. No carb. Okay. I'm gonna make me a bread. But no carb. Here I am. Wow, kabanglo. Smells so good. Wow. This is garlic bread. Garlic bread. Okay, there's my garlic bread. Wow, garlic bread. I wonder if it's good. Keto garlic bread. Carnivore garlic bread. Garlic bread. It's good. It's very good. Okay, this is my rice. Right? Cucumber and tomato. And I put garlic, pepper, and salt, and lime. And here's my main food. Right? My main food, I'm gonna flip it. I fry it in butter. Well, I did not put anything. Salt, black pepper, and that's it. And paprika. This is what's important, the fat. That's where you get your energy. Yeah. Let's eat. Let's eat. And my rice. That's my rice.